I'm here with Patty and Glenn, and we just bought their house. And I just had a couple of questions. Y'all were so nice to agree to do this. Thank you. So why did y'all decide to sell your house as is?
We decided to sell as is. This was an investment house that we rented to our daughter, and she's going to be moving out. And to us, it was just easier and simpler to not have to show the house, and it was just a faster process.
Hassle-free. Yes. Okay.
Timing was really worked out in our favor, and the card that I received from them was appealing to me, so I called immediately and got the process started, and it was extremely fast.
You were telling me that you liked the picture of Chris and his family,
I did,
Chris
yes.
and Jamie and their
Yes.
children.
Yes.
And this is a very family-oriented
Yes.
business. And how did the process go? Were you happy?
Oh yeah, I think it went totally smoothly. I mean, there's a lot of calls back and forth,
Right.
But it was, to me, it was stress-free. I don't know if you had stress.
No, I didn't.
He handled most of it.
Stress-free, so yeah, so it would be you,
Yeah.
stress-free. I mean, that's pretty big to say on a closing, stress-free.
I had a few things I had to do, but other than that, it was painless and stress-free. So.
Okay, and how long did it take y'all to close? Y'all closed in less than a month, right?
Oh,
Like
yeah,
3
less than a
weeks?
month.
Yeah.
2 or 3 weeks?
Uh-huh.
Correct. Yeah, and they worked with us on that because we wanted to close at a certain time. So.
And we
they
met that
worked with-
deadline.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much. We appreciate it, and we hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you.